Giraffe offer tracking fails most often when the app doesn't properly register your install, or when tracking gets blocked by permissions or background restrictions. That means you can complete an offer perfectly and still get 0 credit, because the tracking signal never reaches the server. By the end, you'll know exactly why Giraffe offers don't track, and how to fix it so your completed tasks actually get rewarded. First thing to check is how you installed the offer. Most reward offers only track if you install directly through the Giraffe link and open the app immediately after install. If you downloaded it earlier from the Play Store or installed it without the offer page active, the tracking link won't connect. The only fix in that case is uninstalling and reinstalling through the correct offer link, then opening it right away. Next is permissions and tracking access. Some devices block install attribution by default. Open your phone settings, go to Apps, find Giraffe, and make sure it has permission for activity tracking and background data. If you're on Android, also check Google Play services and make sure it's enabled and not restricted by battery saver. Battery optimization is another major issue. If your phone limits background activity, Giraffe can lose tracking the moment you switch apps. Set Giraffe to unrestricted battery usage so it can stay active while you complete tasks in other apps. Network changes also break offer tracking. If you start an offer on Wi-Fi and switch to mobile data mid-task, the tracking session can reset. The safest approach is to stay on one stable connection until the offer is fully completed and confirmed. Another thing that causes missing tracking is opening multiple reward or VPN apps at the same time. VPNs in particular can mask your region and block offer validation. Turn off any VPN or private DNs before starting a new offer. If an offer still doesn't track after all that, check the offer status delay. Some offers don't update instantly and can take time before showing as completed. Avoid reinstalling or retrying immediately, because duplicate attempts can confuse tracking further. If nothing works, the final step is to contact support inside the app and provide the offer name and timestamp. That's the only way they can manually verify completion when automatic tracking fails. To summarize, offer tracking usually breaks because of wrong install method, blocked permissions, or unstable network switching. Fix those in order and most missing rewards start tracking again. The next step is simple. Always start offers directly from the app link before installing anything. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Giraffe fixes and reward app troubleshooting guides.